But first of all, a little history about the Lego Group here. We are actually a pretty old group, you could say. We are founded in 1932. We are family owned and all started in Denmark and with a wooden toys actually, a small little wooden dog actually at that time. So we are getting closer to our 100 years anniversary in that. Today we have grown, so our toys are sold in over 120 countries in the world, and we have actually over 100 shops here in the US as well, and 4 of them is in the state of Virginia as well. And we started, so to say, our business in the US back in 1973. We are over 3,000 people at the moment in the US, and a lot more to come. And hopefully also more shops in the Commonwealth of Virginia. And because of all that and all that growth in the US, we decided some years back to invest in the US. So we have decided to invest over $1 billion to build our new factory and state-of-the-art factory here in Virginia, in the Chesterfield area. And we are committed to add a lot of more jobs here in the area over the next many years.